What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct, and in today's video, we're going to take this Baja Wrangler 2 up a big hill to see how it performs. Now, if you don't already know, we have tons of other videos on this product, including torture test videos, comparison videos, unboxing and assembly videos, you name it. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen so you can see the entire playlist. Again, for this video, we're just going to test it on a really steep incline. Now, make sure you pay attention towards the end of the video. We're going to give you an update about this product that you're not going to want to miss. It's amazing. So stay tuned to the end to find out what that is. All right, so for those of you that don't know, the Baja Wrangler 2 can do just over 11 miles per hour. It has a 450-pound weight capacity, and you can learn all about it and more in a few different ways. Number one, you can go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen so you can see full specs. You can also claim a copy of our free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a bunch of information about our company. If you want a copy, go to our website. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. All right, folks, so what we have here is a pretty big hill. It's not the steepest probably out there, but I know this scooter can handle inclines and hills better than any other model that we carry, and I just want to demonstrate its abilities at a complete standstill with no momentum, no speed. I'm at the base of this hill. I'm just going to walk it right up, and I'm going to put it in the slowest mode possible so that I don't have speed working with me as an advantage. Again, this is the Baja Wrangler 2 by Pride Mobility, and it has two twin DC motors on it. Okay, they're supposedly around 2,500 watts peak, so that's going to give you around 5,000 peak watts. Now, it's getting a little steeper here, and I'm still just crawling. I'm trying to pop a circuit breaker here, okay? And it's not happening, no matter what I throw at it. In fact, if you stay tuned for our next video, you're going to see something even more epic that we're going to do with this model just to torture it even more. I just really want to see this thing shut down and start beeping and flashing, pop a breaker or something. I have yet to be able to do that. I've towed a truck, an SUV. We've gone mudding. We've gone in the rain. But in our next video, make sure you subscribe. Not only are you going to be entered into our giveaway if you subscribe and leave a comment, you're also going to get notified when we release our new video where we're going to take this thing to a whole nother level. I'm just going to go up and down this hill in a few different areas where it's a little steeper, but I hope you're enjoying the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We will reply to you within 1 business day. All right, folks, so I am in the slowest setting once again. I do not want to use speed or momentum to my advantage, and I am just moseying up this hill at about 1.5 miles per hour. Typically, this would overheat and pop a breaker on any other scooter, but this is not like any other scooter. This is the Baja Wrangler 2. And now we're going over some really rugged terrain, lots of rocks, sand. I would expect the tires to possibly spin out on a different model, but not this one. It has some huge, beefy tires on it. Really nice rims too, by the way. Overall, I love this scooter, and if you can't tell, I use this scooter every day. That's why it's covered in mud and dirt. There's no point in cleaning it because I use it out on the farm to do lawn work. I use it to tow branches and sticks. We get hurricanes all the time. There's branches that fall over. I load up my trailer. This thing's a workhorse. It's reliable. There's no gas engine that requires oil changes. Just charge your batteries. You're good to go. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said in the beginning, I want to tell you about the most epic news I've heard all year about Pride Mobility. They're going to begin making their Wrangler 2s in the United States, so it will be an American-made product. They're also going to do that with a few other products, so if you want something that's American-made, putting American jobs on the market, the Wrangler 2 is not only going to be the best choice if you're looking for something that's powerful, meant for outdoors and off-roading, but it's also good for patriotism and American people. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, have a great day.